Welcome to my class on Vedic mathematics. In our Vedic Division series, today we are going to discuss division by numbers like 9, 99, 999, that is 909, etc. So stay tuned to this video. We will discuss one by one. So here is our first question. The question says 3230 divided by 9. So in this question, if you see carefully, I will explain you steps how to find the answer to this quickly. So first of all, the first number that appears here is 3. So you take this 3 down and write 3 over here, and then add this 3 to the next digit, that is 2, and then after adding you write 3 plus 2, 5 here. Next you add 5 plus 1 and write 6 here. Next you write 6 plus 3 and write 9 here. So our question answer becomes 356 is the quotient and R is remainder. Once again, you just need to drop the first digit 3, then add this 3 to the next digit of dividend, that is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Then again add 1 to the next digit, 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6, and add 3 to 6 and you get 9. So last digit is always a remainder and first 3 digit will be the quotient. So in this particular case our quotient is 356 and remainder is 9. Let us take a look at question number 2. The question is 3221 divided by 9. So again we will follow the same method. Drop down this 3, the first digit, then add 3 plus 2 which gives us 5, then add 5 plus 2 which gives us 7, then add 7 plus 1 which gives us 8. As explained earlier, the last digit will be the remainder and first 3 digits, the remaining digits, will be the quotient. You can check the actual division I have done over here to explain the same thing. 9 and 3221, 9 3s are 27. Remaining, after you subtract you get 5 and drop down this 2. 9 5s are 45. After subtracting you get 7. Drop down this 1. 9 7s are 63. After subtracting you get 8. So our quotient is 357 and remainder is 8. I hope the explanation part is very clear. It is very simple to understand. If you don't understand it, go through, rewind the video and watch it once again. I am pretty sure you will understand it. Now the third question, you can see 7421 divided by 9. So in this question you have to follow the same method, but there is a little change I will explain. Drop down this 7 as usual, and 7 plus 4 is 11. Now here there are 2 digits. So whatever you are getting you just need to write down. Again 11 plus 2 is 13. Write it down. And 13 plus 1 is 40. So write it down again, 14. If the last digit is greater than 9, you just need to add 1. So this 14 is greater than 9, so we will add 1 to this number. So our final number is the set of 7, 11, 13 and 15. Again rewrite them as I have written here, and then you have to add it according to the way I am explaining. First write this 5, and then 3 plus 1 4, write down 4, 1 plus 1 2, write down 2, and 7 plus 1 8. So you get 8245. So last digit is the remainder and first 3 digits are the quotient. I hope my explanation was clear. If you have any confusion, you can mention it in the comment section. Now here are few practice questions for you. You can solve it and write the answer in the comment section. If there is any mistake, I will inform or let you know. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. If you want to connect to me, my website is mentioned over here, and that is my Facebook page also, so you can always contact me through this. And in case you need help with test prep like SAT, GRE, GMAT, ACT, Math Olympiad, Math Count, MOEMS, Math and Science, you can always get in touch with me. Thank you very much once again. See you in the next video.